What if a soft robot could crawl into tight spaces and find hidden overheating before something breaks? Basically, it is a tiny robotic sea anemone with one job. Something smells expensive in here. Soft robots are great at squeezing through awkward spaces because they bend instead of forcing their way through. But there's a catch. Making a soft robot move is one thing. Making it move and sense its environment at the same time is much harder, especially when the robot is made from a water-rich, jelly-like hydrogel. This paper solves that by building an anemone-like hydrogel robot. It has a soft base that moves under light and tentacle-like parts that detect infrared radiation, basically heat coming from overheated areas. The simple version is this. One light source makes the base bend and crawl. Another heat signal makes the tentacles shrink down and touch an electrode, creating an electrical warning signal. So the robot is not just moving blindly, it can actually report when it finds hidden heat. Think of it like a smoke detector, but soft, tiny, and able to crawl through a pipe instead of just sitting on your ceiling judging your cooking. The researchers used a special material called a moiré superlattice. That sounds intimidating, but imagine stacking two fine mesh patterns slightly out of alignment. You get a new, larger pattern that changes how light and heat behave in the material. That material helped the robot convert light into motion and infrared radiation into a signal. In a simulated transformer pipe system, the robot moved through a narrow curved pipe and responded to hotspots from 380 to 453 Kelvin. That's the exciting part. This isn't just a soft robot wiggling around for the camera. It's a soft robot that can move through confined spaces and help identify overheating areas that traditional inspection tools may struggle to reach. I like this paper because the biomimicry is not just aesthetic. The anemone shape actually separates the robot's jobs. The base moves, the tentacles sense. Robot anemone. I found the hot spot. Engineer. Great. Please find it before the transformer becomes toast. So here's the question. Should future inspection robots be rigid machines or soft robots that can squeeze into the places we can't?